Have you ever imagined a world where business operations rival the advanced capabilities of systems like Tony Stark's Jarvis? The realm of science fiction is closer to reality than you might think. Welcome to the transformative age of artificial intelligence, a paradigm where machines transcend manual programming and evolve through learning. In today's discourse, we will meticulously dissect 10 groundbreaking strategies through which AI is revolutionizing business. Whether you're just beginning to explore AI's potential or you're deeply embedded in its intricacies, this guide promises insights that can fundamentally shift your business trajectory. The essence of staying ahead in any industry lies in personal innovation, and our mission today is to illuminate that path for you. Number 1. Customer service enhancement. In the world of business, one of the primary areas where artificial intelligence, or AI, has made a notable impact is customer service. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants, for example, can handle an extensive array of customer queries 24/7 without any human intervention. This not only reduces the wait time for customers, but also ensures that they receive consistent and accurate information every time. Moreover, these AI-powered bots can learn from past interactions, allowing them to provide even more tailored responses as time progresses. Continuing on the topic of customer service, AI also facilitates the analysis of customer feedback from various channels. Be it reviews, social media comments, or emails, AI tools can sift through massive amounts of data, picking out common themes and sentiments. This offers businesses a clearer insight into what's working and what's not, enabling them to fine-tune their offerings and approaches to better meet customer expectations. Number 2. Sales forecasting and optimization. Another avenue where AI truly shines is in sales forecasting. Traditional forecasting methods often rely on historical data and linear patterns. However, today's market dynamics are anything but linear. AI algorithms, with their advanced predictive capabilities, can analyze a multitude of variables simultaneously. This includes seasonality, market trends, and even global socio-political events, producing forecasts that are both dynamic and far more accurate than conventional methods. Building on this, AI can also actively optimize sales strategies in real time. By monitoring ongoing sales data and comparing them against the forecasts, AI systems can suggest adjustments to pricing, marketing spends, and even inventory management. These real-time insights ensure that businesses remain agile, adapting swiftly to market changes and capitalizing on emerging opportunities. Number 3. Enhanced personalization in marketing. Personalization has emerged as a pivotal component of effective marketing. Customers no longer want generic messages. They crave content that resonates with their unique interests and needs. Enter AI. Through sophisticated data analysis, AI can segment audiences based on their behavior, preferences, and past interaction. This segmentation allows businesses to deliver finely tuned messages to each segment, greatly increasing engagement and conversion rates. Further, AI-powered recommendation systems, like those employed by major e-commerce giants, are another stellar example of personalized marketing. These systems analyze individual user behaviors, purchasing patterns, and even browsing histories to suggest products or services that they're likely to be interested in. This not only enhances the user experience, but also drives additional sales through relevant cross-selling and upselling. Number 4. Operational efficiency and automation. AI-driven process automation is revolutionizing how businesses operate. Tasks that once required hours of manual labor can now be executed in mere seconds. For instance, AI can streamline supply chain management by predicting demand, optimizing routes, and even monitoring inventory levels in real time. Expanding on this, robotic process automation, or RPA, which integrates AI, can automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks across various departments. From invoice processing in finance to data entry in HR, RPA bots can handle a myriad of mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more strategic and creative endeavors. As a result, businesses can achieve greater operational efficiency and significantly reduce overhead costs. Number 5. Data-driven decision-making. In the modern business landscape, data is king, but having heaps of data is of little use if you can't derive actionable insights from it. That's where AI-powered analytics tools come into play. These tools can process vast amounts of data at astonishing speeds, highlighting patterns, trends, and anomalies that might go unnoticed by the human eye. Building on this foundation, AI systems can also provide predictive insights, allowing businesses to foresee potential challenges or opportunities. For example, an AI tool might flag a sudden increase in product returns, prompting the business to investigate and rectify any underlying issues before they escalate. By making data-driven decisions, companies can be more proactive, ensuring that they remain a step ahead of competitors. Number 6. Talent acquisition and HR management. The realm of human resources isn't touched by the magic of AI either. Modern AI AI-powered recruitment tools can scan thousands of resumes in a blink, identifying candidates that best match the job criteria. Beyond just skills and experience, some advanced systems can even assess cultural fit, ensuring that new hires seamlessly blend into the company's ethos. Moreover, AI can assist in ongoing employee management, from monitoring performance metrics to identifying training needs. AI can provide HR professionals with deep insights into employee growth and potential areas of concern. Furthermore, AI-driven tools can analyze feedback from employee surveys, identifying common themes and sentiments, thereby aiding in fostering a positive work culture. Number 7. Product and service innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of long-term business success. AI can serve as a potent tool in the innovation arsenal. Through data analysis, AI can identify market gaps or emerging customer needs, offering businesses a roadmap for new product or service development. Furthermore, in industries like pharmaceuticals or manufacturing, AI algorithms can simulate experiments or processes, significantly speeding up R&D. Additionally, AI can foster collaborative innovation. Platforms powered by AI can bring together individuals from various fields, facilitating the exchange of ideas and co-creation. This collaborative approach can lead to groundbreaking products and solutions that might not have been possible through isolated efforts. Number 8. Enhanced security and fraud detection. In an increasingly digital world, security is paramount. AI-powered security systems can monitor digital activities in real time, detecting and thwarting potential threats before they materialize. From identifying suspicious login attempts to flagging unusual transaction patterns, AI ensures that businesses remain shielded from malicious actors. Further cementing its role in security, AI is instrumental in fraud detection. Traditional fraud detection systems often operated on static rules, making them predictable and easier to circumvent. In contrast, AI-driven systems continuously learn from new data, evolving their direction mechanisms. This dynamic approach ensures that they remain several steps ahead of potential fraudsters, safeguarding business assets and reputation. Number 9. Optimized pricing strategies. Pricing is a delicate art and science combined. Set it too high, and you risk alienating potential customers. Too low, and you might erode your profit margins. AI comes to the rescue by analyzing a plethora of factors, from market demand and competitor pricing to seasonal trends and even socio-political events. This comprehensive analysis allows businesses to set prices that maximize profitability while remaining attractive to consumers. Taking it a notch further, dynamic pricing models powered by AI can adjust prices in real time based on current market conditions, inventory levels, and even user behavior. These models ensure that businesses always hit the sweet spot between demand and profitability, driving both sales and bottom line growth. Number 10. Supply chain and inventory management. The complexities of modern supply chains demand intelligent management solutions. AI can optimize supply chain operations by predicting demand surges or lulls, recommending inventory restocks, and even suggesting optimal routes for transportation. Such insights can significantly reduce operational costs, improve delivery times, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. On the inventory front, AI tools can continuously monitor stock levels, flagging items that are either running low or are overstocked. By ensuring optimal inventory levels, businesses can reduce holding costs, minimize stockouts, and ensure that capital isn't unnecessarily tied up in unsold goods. In essence, AI transforms the supply chain and inventory management from a reactive process to a proactive one, driving efficiency and profitability. Indeed, the profound impact of AI on businesses is undeniable. As we transition into a more digitized and automated era, it's paramount to not merely adopt, but adeptly harness the capabilities of these technologies. Always remember, in the landscape of business, it's not just about staying updated, but staying ahead. Until our next insightful exploration, continue to let AI be the wind beneath your business's wings.